In this course, you will learn how computers represent different types of data: integers, floating point numbers, text, images, and sound. It's fundamental knowledge every good programmer and every good IT specialist should have. I prepared a PDF document for this course. And the links to the document are in the description. So it's totally free, so you can use it. And I think you can even download it from SlideShare if you are signed up to the SlideShare. And there is also a repository for this course with various examples. And the link to the repository is also in the description. The examples are mostly in C and C++, but if you don't know these programming languages, you can still learn this course. And this material is relevant to all programming languages, because at low level in computers the information is represented the same no matter what programming languages we use. So this material is relevant to all programming languages. And if this material is helpful to you, please like the video, and you can subscribe for more tutorials.